Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Mr. Coffee maker and it's giving you an Ec3 error and it might not be brewing coffee and you're wondering what to do to get rid of this error. So a couple things. The first thing to do to get rid of this error is to just try resetting the coffee maker. And to reset the coffee maker, the buttons, depending on the model, will be in a little bit of different spot. But if you push there, if you find the brew later now, the brew later button and the brew button, and you push both of those buttons simultaneously and hold it, press and hold both of them simultaneously, it will reset the coffee maker and should clear out the error. Now the error may come back or the error may change to a different error. And so what you need to do is, if you can get it brewing, is put some vinegar in the water reservoir and brew it through. Put a filter in, but don't put any coffee in there, and run that vinegar through to descale the coffee maker. And that will clear out a lot of the scaling on the components that can get rid of a lot of these errors. So once you've done those two things, and you might, after you descale, you might need to reset it again. And also, obviously, before you brew coffee, run water through it because you don't want to drink vinegary coffee. But anyways, hopefully doing those things will get rid of these errors. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.